Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, scholars of all ages. Welcome to Literary Device Day 2, whether this be Friday or a Monday morning for you. Happy Friday or good Monday morning for my White Day folks who will see this on Monday. Before I walk you through the module, I sent a message out today, and some of you were like, Mr. McClung is really being mean. I'm not being mean. What I am trying to do is encourage you to complete things during the scheduled block time. And my anticipation is that all of your teachers are going to ask you to do this. Because even if you're in your pajamas at home, you are logging in to take the attendance quizzes. I've seen those. Like 95% of you are taking attendance. When you take attendance, you need to go in, you need to look at the module that you're already in because you submitted attendance. And you need to say, hey, what do I have to get done today? Because if I was actually in class, Mr. McClung would expect me to do things. So that said, late work, stuff that is not completed on time, unless you have an excused absence, that's different, which is not NIA. NIA, if you are quarantined, you're expected to participate in class virtually. Unless you have a reason for an absence, late work will be penalized. I am no longer accepting it for full credit. And again, this isn't me being mean. This is the way we need to go about virtual learning for it to work, because we're going to continue to build on previous lessons. That's the way school works. Let me know if you have questions. Reach out to me. I am here in the building every day, all day. Message me, inbox me, pop in and say hi, whatever you need to do. So there is not a Zoom today, but I'm going to walk you through right now what your module will look like today, okay? So the first thing you'll notice here on your introductory page, the end of the block, last 20 minutes specifically, you will take Vocabulary Quiz 5. Those times are there for you, 2G, 1052 to 1112, and then you can see the 3G and 4G times there as well. You will log on, your access code there, Dancing Lion 7921, and you'll knock out the vocab quiz. It's 10 questions, it's multiple choice. All right. Here we go. What does my Literary Device Quiz 1 look like today, Mr. McClung? First of all, the PowerPoint is linked. All right, use that to assist. You are allowed 3 attempts, and it will keep the highest one, which is what I will enter ultimately in PowerSchool. There is a word bank. You need to type this word in, all right, spell it correctly, exactly as it is in the word bank. Mr. McClung, let's go ahead and preview this. Sounds like a plan. Question 1. A story about a rainy, stormy night creates a depressing and dark mood. All right, there you go. I gave you one. There are 20 questions. You will use each word once and exactly and only once. I think you have 80 minutes to complete this. It is timed. It's not going to take you that long. And I guess you have 80 minutes and you have it 3 times. But do note that this is only available up to the end of the block. So you need to complete this, just like your vocab quiz, during the scheduled block. All right, let's move on here. Vocab quiz 5 requires lockdown browser. Once again, you already have your access code, and this is multiple choice. So I cannot stress this enough, folks. Going forward, I need you to be actively engaged in class, digitally, virtually, during the time of your scheduled block. Okay, so you know the block schedule. I'm going to try to be as clear as I can here with regard to deadlines and timestamps, and you'll see those on all your assignments going forward, specifically on lockdown browsers. So reach out to me if you have questions. Again, we're going to take a look at some literary device materials. Once again, it's the same set of words. And then additionally, and this is just now coming to me, I am going to actually provide the vocab quiz 5 PowerPoint. I'm going to link that into your quiz for today. Okay, so everyone will have the same chance to look at that resource while you are working through Vocabulary Quiz 5. Have a great Friday or Monday, and we will see you next time for NWEA testing, believe it or not. It'll be a great time, okay? It's super exciting. Hey, miss seeing you, or most of you anyway. Have a great weekend or a great Monday evening. See you, folks. Peace.